Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial the top 5 tricks and tips you may find useful when it comes to using Instagram stories on your iPhone. Without further ado, let us start the video. So for this tutorial, you will need access to 3 things: iPhone, Instagram application, and you need to have an Instagram account. So we can now click the application itself and then go to your profile, click on a post, video or photo, and then repost to your story, which is the #1 tip you may find useful. And now we can send to your story and done. And now go back to the home page, swipe towards the left hand side, take a photo, and now we can add text. I'll say hello. And that's my #2 trick and tip so we can send to your story. #3 would be take another photo, use the pen, change the color to maybe red. Change to white. Send to your story. And now we can go back to the profile, repost a story again, but this time take a screenshot of the post we wish to repost. Done. Go back to the home page, swipe left, swipe up this time, and now we have the photo on screen. Add some text. Next, your story done. Go back to your profile, repost again. And now this time, zoom this in. And now we can add a GIF. Click here. So they now know to click here, and then it would redirect them to the post, the original post. Send to, share to your story, done. We now have 5 stories. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.